I wake up early in the morning, though my body and eyes need some more rest and sleep. Eat if I have left something at my place, else I'll start walking to my workplace. I usually work as a laborer. I carry loads and shift them from one place to another. My hands and feet were so hard and rough because there were so many cuts and cracks all over them. My body really cries to heal from the soreness, which is unbearable. So on my go to my workplace, I had seen something magical on the streets of the city today. I had seen beautiful children walking on the streets towards the convent. These beautiful kids were very well groomed with an uniform, with a bag on their back, holding some beautiful books in their teeny hands, that smile on their face, the way they entered the convent gate. I can imagine these little kids sitting on the desk in the classroom. I can imagine these people trying to hold their pencils or pens to write down something. I can imagine these children questioning the teacher to clarify their doubts. I can imagine these children having all the fun in the classroom by doing writing, painting, having fun, etc. And all of a sudden, I then realized, one day I asked people to gift me some books and they gifted me bricks. I asked people to gift me some paints and people gifted me my own sweat. I imagined myself stepping into the convent and these people are now involving me in constructing those steps. Yeah, I suddenly realized that I am also a little beautiful kid who is working as a laborer. Feel free. You can call me a child labor. A child labor. So aren't we against all this gift that we are gifting to children? Are we raising our voices against this? Today is World's Day Against Child Labor. So everybody who is listening this, it's my sincere appeal to you. You must always stand against this. You must raise your voice against this. You must let children get educated. You must support children around you to get educated. Thank you.